Hey gamers, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to change the currency on your STEM account, you've come to the right place. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to switch your STEM currency. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged in to your STEM account. This process only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. Now, navigate to account details. In the top right corner, click on your username to open the drop-down menu. Next, click on Account Details. This will take you to a page with all your account information. Under Store Preferences, you'll see an here are account details. Now, under Store and Purchase History, you'll see an option to update store country. Click on that. Here you can select your new country from the drop-down menu. Keep in mind, this will change your STEM currency to the local currency of the correct country you choose. After selecting your country, STEM might ask you to verify your new location. This could involve entering a local payment method or using a VPN if you're actually in that country. Just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Once you've updated your country and verified if needed, your STEM store should now display prices in the new currency. And that's it. You now know how to change the currency on your STEM account.